Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make dead stock register, only way. Start by gathering SKU lists, purchase dates, and quantities for suspected dead items, and isolate them from active inventory immediately. Create a standardized spreadsheet or database with clear fields for reason, date flagged, cost basis, and recommended disposition to keep records consistent. Communicate changes to purchasing and sales to prevent recurrence and maintain accurate reporting. Collect sales data and inventory snapshots to confirm which SKUs truly qualify as dead stock. Then verify physical counts and item condition to decide reuse, discount, or disposal. Assign a responsible person to update the register and enforce the aging policy consistently so nothing slips through the cracks. Label and separate dead stock physically to avoid accidental restocking, and schedule regular reviews to keep the register current and trustworthy. Begin entering each dead SKU into your register with the date flagged, reason, quantity, and cost basis. Then choose disposition actions like discounting, bundling, returning, or liquidating based on condition and margins. Update accounting reserves or write-offs to match company policy and ensure finance signs off on adjustments to maintain audit trails. Finally, communicate status to the team and schedule follow-ups to track outcomes and learn from the results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.